Hey, it's Dave from Hot Hardware here with Yoon from Dell to look at some exciting new display technologies at Dell's CES 2023 showcase. Yoon, what do you have here for us? Looks pretty cool.
Oh, this is the Dell Ultrasharp 6K resolution monitor. This is the world's first 6K resolution with IPS Black technology built in. So what you get to see here is 6K resolution is 150% more pixels than 4K resolution. And on top of that, because we have added in the IPS Black technology, the contrast ratio has doubled from the normal IPS panel that you would see. On top of the display improvement that we have made, we also have built in the conferencing features to this monitor. You do see the speaker bar and mic, and the webcam as well, which you see on the top. Now, one of the common questions that I receive about this webcam is, Yoon, why is the webcam so big when all the other webcams are pretty small? That's because we have invested in the image sensor that we have built into this webcam. This is using the latest Sony Starvis 8 megapixel image sensor focused on the security image sensors. And what it does is it captures a lot more light because the image sensor is bigger. And the benefit, the outcome of it is that in a low light condition, you can drive a better image quality with these sensors.
Nice. So tell me a little bit about IPS Black, you said. So new display technology, 6K, super high resolution 6K, but what's IPS Black all about?
So IPS Black is all about driving the higher contrast ratio than your normal IPS technology, right? So your normal IPS technology is 1000 to 1 contrast ratio. With IPS Black, it goes up to 2000 to 1. Now, one of the benefits that you see with 6K resolution is that you see a lot more detail with the 6K resolution, but on top of that, with better contrast, you are able to see the depth of the color on top of the details. Right now, this monitor also covers the color space of 99.9% DCI P3. It also covers the P3 color space. And it also has great features such as the pop-down USB hub feature to it. So one of the reasons why we have done this is because as the monitors get bigger and heavier, a lot of people are having trouble finding out where the ports are. They either have to tilt this monitor to figure out where the port is, or really look below to figure out the right port. So what we have done is we have built in a simple pop-down feature so that you are able to see intuitively what ports are available, and then you can just connect it easily from where you're sitting.
Very cool. That is a beautiful looking display. You get the Fox there showing the contrast ratio. So again, the model, one more time, Yoon?
Sure. This is the Dell Ultrasharp Dell Ultrasharp 32 6K monitor.
Great. And any idea when this might come to market?
This will be coming early next year.
Early next year. Thanks, Yoon. I appreciate it. That's great stuff.
You're most welcome.